Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most talked about future vehicles from Honda, the Honda Civic SUV 2027. Honda has taken one of the most iconic names in automotive history and transformed it into a modern compact SUV, combining sporty design, everyday practicality, and advanced technology. This model is aimed at drivers who love the Civic's reliability and performance but want more space, higher ground clearance, and a stronger road presence. At first glance, the Honda Civic SUV 2027 looks bold, confident, and futuristic. The front fascia immediately grabs attention with its wide, glossy black grille that features sharp geometric detailing. The grille sits low and wide, giving the SUV a planted and aggressive stance. Slim LED headlights stretch across the front, creating a sharp and focused expression, while the LED daytime running lights add a premium touch. The hood is slightly raised and sculpted, emphasizing the SUV identity while still retaining Civic's sporty DNA. From the side, the Civic SUV 2027 presents a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, avoiding the boxy shape seen in many SUVs. Strong character lines run along the doors, giving the vehicle a sense of motion even when it's parked. Large alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, adding to the sporty appeal. The raised ride height offers better road visibility and light off-road confidence, while black lower body cladding adds contrast and durability, especially for urban and highway use. At the rear, Honda has kept the design modern and aggressive. The LED tail lights are sharp and angular, extending into the body for a wide and stable look. A subtle roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics and adds a sporty finish. The rear bumper looks solid and muscular, giving the Civic SUV a strong closing impression. Overall, the exterior design blends elegance, sportiness, and SUV toughness in a very balanced way. Toyota Speedcar now let's move inside the interior, where Honda has clearly stepped up the game in terms of quality, comfort, and technology. The cabin feels modern, clean, and driver-focused. Right in front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, driving modes, navigation, and safety information in a clear and customizable layout. The central infotainment screen is large, responsive, and positioned perfectly for easy access without distraction. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with voice commands and built-in navigation on higher trims. The dashboard design is minimal yet premium, with soft touch materials, metallic accents, and refined stitching that elevate the overall feel. The steering wheel is sporty and comfortable, with multifunction controls that make driving easier and safer. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, offering excellent support and cushioning. Higher trims are expected to include leather upholstery, heated seats, and power adjustments. The driving position is slightly elevated compared to a traditional sedan, providing better road visibility while still maintaining a car-like feel behind the wheel. Rear passengers are well taken care of, with generous legroom and headroom, making the Civic SUV suitable for families and long trips. The flat floor design improves comfort for middle passengers, while rear air vents and USB charging ports add convenience. The cargo area is spacious and practical, easily accommodating luggage, groceries, or daily gear. With the rear seats folded down, the Civic SUV offers impressive cargo flexibility for weekend adventures. When it comes to performance, the Honda Civic SUV 2027 delivers a smooth, refined, and confident driving experience. Honda is expected to offer multiple engine options, including a turbocharged petrol engine and a fuel-efficient hybrid variant. The turbocharged engine provides strong acceleration for city driving and highway merging, while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The hybrid version is designed for drivers who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing performance. It delivers quiet operation, smooth power delivery, and lower emissions, making it ideal for daily commuting. Honda's well-known reliability and engineering excellence are clearly reflected in the powertrain choices. The suspension system is tuned for comfort and stability, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. Steering feels light and precise, making the Civic SUV easy to maneuver in tight city streets and parking spaces. On highways, the vehicle feels stable and composed, offering a confident driving experience even at higher speeds. Safety is a major highlight of the Honda Civic SUV 2027. It comes equipped with Honda's advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These features work together to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety, making the Civic SUV a reliable choice for families and daily drivers. Now let's talk about pricing. The Honda Civic SUV 2027 is expected to be competitively priced within the compact SUV segment. The base model is likely to start around $28,000, offering excellent value with a strong list of standard features. Mid-level trims with additional technology and comfort upgrades may fall in the $31,000 to $33,000 range. Fully loaded hybrid or premium trims could reach around $35,000, depending on market and options. In summary, the Honda Civic SUV 2027 successfully redefines what a Civic can be. It combines sporty design, modern technology, comfortable interior space, efficient performance, and strong safety features into one well-rounded package. This SUV is perfect for drivers who want the trusted Civic name with the versatility and presence of an SUV. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. This is Toyota Speedcar, and I'll see you in the next